Dear friends, you are now seeing Bastille. This is another revolution.
French Revolution.
French Revolution.
Started here.
French Revolution started here. Bastille. இதுதான் ஒரு பெரிய landmark. Bastille landmark. French Revolution. So you are seeing the Bastille now. That area.
Turn right on Place de la Bastille.
இங்கே தான் வந்தோம் நம்ம ஆக்சுவலாக ஃபஸ்ட்டு.
Correct.
Life is nothing but memory. I came with my beloved Sedu and Mr. Lenin. Took me all around. Same places we are seeing. Places are there, but we as a physical form will go away. But before going away, how happy we are, how we make others happy, that's the matter. So Bastille now. A lot of tourists here.